What of the reports of the rebel fleet massing near Sullust?
It is of no concern. Soon the rebellion will be crushed and young Skywalker will be one of us. Your work here is finished, my friend. Go out to the command ship and await my orders.
Yes, my master.
Jumping through hyperspace, Han found himself approaching Vader's command ship and the half-completed Death Star.
If they don't go for this, we're gonna have to get out of here pretty quick, Chewie.
Shuttle Tydirium, transmit the clearance code for shield passage.
Transmission commencing.
Now we find out if that code is worth the price we paid.
It'll work. It'll work.
Vader's on that ship.
Now don't get jittery, Luke.
I'm endangering the mission. I shouldn't have come.
Where is that shuttle going?
Shall I hold them?
No. Leave them to me. I will deal with them myself.
As you wish, my lord. Carry on.
Shuttle Tydirium. Deactivation of the shield will commence immediately. Follow your present course.
Okay. I told you it was gonna work.